Light Fun Summer Skincare, Caribbean Edition. Check out my summer skincare routine. Simple and fun, and keep it pretty, keep it right, keep it tight, and keep it youthful. Let's roll. Number 1. Resveratrol Caudalie. This is like potion. This is like magic. This is wonder, okay? So, I start with this, and I let this first layer sink in before I get all into my sunscreen situation. So, get in there. Get in there. Okay. Oh my god, my skin like drinks this up. So, we are deep in the Caribbean on this island called Scrub Island, and we're island hopping. So, I'm out in the sun all day, and I'm sailing, so I have to pay attention to what I'm doing. And sometimes it's so windy I can't wear a hat all the time to protect my skin from the sun. So these are my little secret formulas that I'm doing right now. So I find that this stuff keeps my eyes super hydrated, and it just feels so good. It just feels so good. Okay, next, where's my other potion? I'm in love with this. I actually got this at Nordstrom's Rack before I left because I like to try different things all the time because it's so much fun with all these products. But this is Sunbum Hydrating Serum, Banana Brown Algae, and Niacinamide. Niacinamides are what keep everything fire, okay? So I do a couple pumps of this. This is like, it smells really beachy. Ooh, and nice, but it just has like such a fluid, nice, kind of hydrating vibe going on, okay? And, you know, it's all about skincare to me when I'm out here, and maybe I'll throw on a little makeup, you know, at night when I go on a date with my boyfriend, but honestly, it's so funny, you know, my boyfriend doesn't really like it when I wear makeup, and of course, I love makeup, anything art, painting, ridiculous, more. But it's funny, like all the things that you do to be pretty, it's like, you know what I mean? It's like totally lost on these dudes. Not totally. I mean, he does like some of the makeup, but I mean, I'm going to do whatever I want anyways, obviously. Okay, so next. I also got this at Nordstrom's Rack, but you can get this all over the place and on Amazon too. But this is really pretty. It's the Sunbum Glow 30 Moisturizing Sunscreen Face Lotion, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Water resistant, okay? And dewy, radiant glow, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, whatever that word was. Bottom line, I try to focus on, as a mermaid, doing everything that's reef-friendly and safe for the environment. So I really love Sunbum products because they're really good and they last for a while. So after I've given that Sunbum serum a second to sink in, then I go in with this Sunbum, and I'll show you. It's kind of like, see, it's kind of like a little tinted moisturizer, but there's little sparkles in there, okay? Which, me gusta. Okay, so I'm also looking at my phone down here. I used to not put sunscreen close to my eyes. I have really sensitive eyes, so it can't get in there, but this is, you know, where the aging happens, and that cannot happen. So I try to be diligent with putting it on like an upper eyeshadow. There's people around doing all sorts of stuff with their boats because it's a beautiful day and people are getting ready to jam, as am I. So I tap and pat things into my skin because I feel like it just absorbs better. And I'll show you in the sun. This has like a really nice little radiant dew factor. And so then I'll do a little bit of what I do for my lip tint and other stuff. And, you know, the lip tint is a jam. I think I talked about it in my other video. So this Stila calligraphy, it's like a magic marker. It's so much fun. Let me see. I'm also going to use my phone up close. Okay. So this is like a lip stain. And it's just so fun because I'm literally going to go back. I mean, I am a Sephora girly, but they don't have these there. And I think I saw this. I'm not sure where I saw this, but it might have been Paige Loren's YouTube channel. I think she's really cute and fun to watch. And so you can see it just kind of stains. And then I have been all about obsessed and in love with this Tatcha, the Kissu lip mask. Stop. Which I'm actually going to put on after my coffee while I chat with you guys. So, as I've gotten into my YouTube channel, which has been nothing short of a blast, I have been also producing a film, doing art shows. If some of you guys don't know, I am an artist and a film producer, and I'm creating my line called Mermaid Manor, which is fashion, which is so much fun. And I'll show you this cute little PJ Salvage outfit I'm wearing. And it's like, I don't know if what I'm wearing is supposed to be pajamas, but for me, it's giving me like a 1970s kind of Suzanne Summers, I almost want to put on roller skates kind of energy, and I'm into it, okay? So what I'm going to do is some low pigtails, okay? And I think that I'm also going to put in a little red ribbon that actually, I like to kind of reuse and recycle stuff, which is also very mermaid eco-awareness, but in like little cute ways. So my boyfriend got me this fabulous gold sparkle bikini from Aviator Nation, which is everything. I'll probably throw that on later. Everything. Okay? The fabric is wonderful, and it's coming in hard, and it came in this cute little box with like this red ribbon around it. And I was like, oh my God, this red ribbon is so fabulous. It almost makes, it was really long and it almost made you feel like it was Christmas. Just really cute. So I was like, I'm going to use this and wear it in my hair someday. And today might be that day, folks. Oh yes. So we're going to start with these pigtails. And then of course I forgot that ribbon inside. So do you see how I'm doing like a 1970s thing here? Now, no makeup, you know what I mean? Just a lip tint. Nobody's got to know about it. So I got to put these little piggies a little back, so you know the ribbon can kind of anchor. And on that note, I'll be right back. Okay, she's back. So here's the ribbon I was talking about, which is so cute. It's just one of those really good ribbons. I'll probably use this in a variety of ways, but for today, it's going in my hair. And it's going to be cute. Da-da-da-da-da. There's a cool little catamaran that's just about to drive by that you guys will see. Okay. So, it's kind of like a cute little homage to my boyfriend in a cute little way. And next, I think my little piece of flair today is just going to be this anklet. And also my other skincare is this Hawaiian Tropic 30. I just like this because I feel like I get tan, and I don't know the 411, and I'm obviously not a dermatologist, but everyone has told me that if it's really over 30, it's like not real. Like they're lying to us, and like really the buck stops at 30. So I love this because it's cruelty-free, vegan, broad spectrum, SPF 30, and it's also water resistant for 80 minutes. So I'll put this on in the morning, and I'll put it on again in the afternoon after I go that's the skinny. So now I'm going to take you up to the front of the boat and we'll finish our coffee chat, okay? Because it's pretty up there and I want you to see what's up. Oh, I almost forgot. This Sunbum Watermelon 30 also is like a tinted chapstick that also has SPF in it, so your lips don't burn too. You can't forget about your lips in the face game, okay? So, on that note, let's go to the front of the boat. This is the look that my boyfriend got me, which is this cute little set from PJ Salvage. And you can see there's a little palm tree. This side's blue and this side's red. I don't really know if it's pajamas, nor do I care, because this is what I'm wearing today. And it also goes with my little hat. So, if it's pajamas, so be it. I don't care. So now I'm taking you to the front of the boat. It's a beautiful morning. And you guys can go back in my last episode. I take you on a tour of the boat. But I kind of like to come up here and have my morning coffee. You can see it's really beautiful. And just kind of chill and take a moment to meditate or talk to some of my friends and just have a nice kind of chill morning. And on that note, I'll see you guys next week. Remember, look like a mermaid, write like a pirate.